Why don't senior Californians play hide and seek? Because every time they find a great hiding spot, someone comes along and says, "Excuse me, sir, but this is a property tax exemption. You'll have to move along." And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on property tax exemption for seniors in California. Tip 1. Understand the homeowners exemption. In California, if you own a home and occupy it as your primary residence, you may be eligible for an annual $7,000 reduction of your assessed value, which can lower your property tax bills. To apply for this exemption, a claim for homeowners property tax exemption form must be filed with the county assessor. Tip 2. Look into the disabled Veterans Exemption. If you're a senior who is also a veteran with a service-related disability, or the surviving spouse of a disabled veteran, you might be eligible for a property tax exemption. This entails either a $100,000 or $150,000, based on income levels, reduction in the assessed value of your property. Tip 3. Explore Proposition 60 and 90 benefits. California Pass. Proposition 60 and 90 allows seniors, 55 years and above, to transfer their property tax base from their current home to a new home if they're both within the same county, Prop 60, or to a different California county that accepts inter-county transfers, Prop 90. This can offer a significant tax saving. Tip 4. Understand the Property Tax Postponement for seniors. This program allows seniors and the disabled with annual incomes of $35,500 or less to defer current year property taxes on their primary residence. Make sure you read up on the qualifying criteria and understand the interest that is applied during the postponement period. Tip 5. Utilize Proposition 58 and 193. These propositions permit the transfer of property within families without a reassessment, which can block property tax increases when homes are passed from parents to children, Prop 58, or from grandparents to grandchildren, Prop 193. Tip 6. Take advantage of low-income housing exemptions. Certain types of housing, like cooperatives or low-income rental housing designated by the government, are eligible for property tax exemptions. This can be especially beneficial for seniors on fixed incomes. Tip 7. Apply for Supplemental Security Income, SSI, exemption. If a senior is receiving SSI, State Supplementary Payment, SSP, or a combination of both, they may be eligible for a property tax exemption. Proof of this income will be required. Tip 8. Check possible exemptions for non-profit organizations. If a non-profit organization is providing housing for elderly or disabled persons, the property used to do so might be eligible for a property tax exemption. Tip 9. Review the current market value. If the current market value of your property is less than the assessed value, request for a review from the County Assessors Department. This could lower your overall property tax. Tip 10. Regularly review your property tax bill. Ensure that your bill is accurate by checking the listed information about your property. If you find any discrepancies, report them to the county assessor immediately. Tip 11. Seek professional advice. Consider getting professional advice from an experienced accountant or attorney who specializes in California property tax laws. They might be able to identify additional exemptions or help in the preparation of applications or documentation.